By watching a single video, you can earn $5. If you hit the like button and share your thoughts in the comment section, that will be an additional $1. Sounds easy, right? You can do this on your phone, so you can do the task wherever you are. You can earn instantly in just a few minutes of completing the task. I'll show you how to create a free account in this video. This brand new website is accessible everywhere in the world. And at the end of this video, you'll learn a bonus tip where you can earn an extra $50 per day. So don't miss out. Hi, welcome to Daily Cashflow, a channel that shows you all the best sites on where to make money online with all the best ways on how to make that money. So before we get to the video, hit that like button, subscribe, and ring that notification bell so you don't miss a single video. This is how you can make money online by using paidwork.com. Just use your phone, computer, or tablet and get paid wherever you are without investment. On this website, they offer 5 different ways to earn money. You can start by playing games. Second, you can make money by taking surveys. Third, watch videos or video advertisements from various websites. Fourth, you can get paid through online shopping. For this video, we'll concentrate on how to earn by watching videos. For instance, this video that you'll watch for a few seconds can let you earn. To gain more bonuses, you can also like and share this video. To continue earning money, subscribe to the channel and leave a comment. The things that you usually do while watching a YouTube video, you can also do them on the Paidwork website. And as the website's name suggests, you are earning money from paid work. Now, there are only 3 easy steps to get started. The first step is to select a method of earning. You have more payment options in paidwork.com, so whatever payment method you like, you can use it. Just choose the one that's most suitable for you. Second, start earning by following all of the necessary steps, and they assure you that you will receive your money immediately after completing your task. And for the third step, leave the admin stuff to their team. They're the ones who'll handle all the process of all the billings. You'll get paid once you've gathered a certain minimum amount of funds in your account. Remember that you can use Paidwork using your Android and iOS devices. You can download the application from the Google Play Store or the App Store. Start turning your time into profit. Here are the benefits you get from using this website. First, Paidwork can be a primary or just an additional source of income. If you have access to the internet in your home, you can certainly complete the task. The website is available in different parts of the world, so this website can be used by anyone. They make sure that you'll be compensated for the time and engagement you invest on the platform. According to this website, you can earn $150 without paying additional taxes or fees. Do you want to earn that amount of money? You need to follow all of their simple instructions. There is no limit to your earnings. You decide how much you earn. To create a free account, click the blue registration button. You'll be taken to this page where you can register and begin making money. Simply enter your email address and password and then click the Next Step button. Alternatively, you can register quickly by using your Microsoft or Google accounts. Remember to check your email to get the confirmation link. Just click the Verify Your Account button. After that, you'll be taken into the dashboard. This is what it looks like. You can track your earnings here. That includes your earnings for today, yesterday, the last 7 days, and this month. Next, add basic information about yourself. By answering your basic info, the website will display better paying ads to earn more money. Now, go to the Earn section at the left part of the screen. You can choose any of these methods of earnings which were mentioned earlier. They also offer microtasks which will be available soon. So, just like what I've said, we'll concentrate on making money by watching videos. Click the Earn button under the Watch Videos. But before I share the next step, make sure you download the Paidwork application. You can't use it through their website, so it's important to download the application first on Google Play or the App Store. Let's go back to how to earn money by watching video advertisements. By the way, just a quick reminder, if you like this channel, please do subscribe so you don't miss out learning new methods about making money online. We upload a lot of videos on this channel, so there's a lot of money-making methods that we can show you, and you can use either your laptop, computer, or phone. Most of them are free. Also, hitting that like button really helps out. Thanks for your time. This is Daily Cashflow. Back to the video. You'll receive payment as soon as you finish watching the video advertisement. You can pause the video ad and close it, but of course the advertisement will stop playing if you do that. So, wait a few seconds to watch the entire ad. When you click the watch button, you can also get videos from YouTube. To begin watching, click play. Ensure that you continue to watch until the timer goes off. This is important since you won't get paid if you pause the video before the allotted time is passed. There are a lot of opportunities you can do to make money online. On YouTube, you can watch videos, subscribe to different channels, and like various videos. On Facebook and Instagram, you can like and follow other users. To complete the leave engagement on social media, you need to access a website where you can leave multiple engagements, like YouTube, Instagram, or Facebook. They are quite simple to do, so you can accomplish them even if you have no prior experience or special skills. You can generate income consistently by simply clicking a few buttons to watch videos and leave comments. For YouTube views, you'll be redirected to YouTube videos that you can watch. Select the settings button, and to watch the video more quickly, just lower the video quality to 144p. If you want to get paid more, don't forget to click the like or the share buttons. When you click the share button, the URL of the video will appear, so click the copy button to share it on Facebook, Twitter, email, and other platforms. Indeed, there are many ways to make money on this website. You can earn money by completing surveys, creating accounts, writing comments and short reviews, and subscribing to newsletters. Let's try another method to earn money, and it's through answering surveys. As you can see, there are numerous surveys available from different companies that you can start answering. To have an additional source of income, you should try the several methods that they offer here. It's also much better to try the referral program to make more money. Just copy the referral link and share it with your friends or someone from the internet. You'll be compensated every time you watch a video or finish one of their free courses. And there you have it. I hope this video was helpful to you. Just let us know in the comment section below what you think about the paid work. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to hit the like and the subscribe button. See you in the next video. So that's it for today. I hope you learned something from today's video. And to get updated with the next videos, don't forget to hit the notification bell. See you next time.